খবরটি দেখার জন্য আমাদের সাথে থাকুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আর বেল আইকন প্রেস করুন।
Our distinguished guests, members of the chamber and media friends, I have great pleasure in extending a cordial welcome to this special session with Sri Ramdas Ji, Honorable Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, on the topic Social Justice and Empowerment for All. We are grateful to Sri Ramdas Ji for accepting our invitation to come to the chamber and address this special session despite his busy schedule in the city. Sri Ramdas Ji is a widely travelled person and is the president of the Republican Party of India A, and is well known for his role in ensuring empowerment of the target groups including the Dalits and the SC population. As we all know, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment is entrusted including scheduled castes, other backward castes, senior citizens, victims of substance abuse, denotified, nomadic and semi-nomadic tribes, beggar target groups into the mainstream of development. Sir, the population census of 2011 recorded that the total SC population to be around 20.14. Corresponding figure for West Bengal was 23.5%, which is far more than the national average. There are 10 districts in West Bengal with the SC population above 40%, and the figure is even higher in some districts, in some blocks of Jalpaiguri and Cooch Behar. We would like to know from your honor if any special package is being provided by your ministry for empowerment in such districts having such high percentage. In order to promote financial inclusion and to enhance direct and indirect employment generation for the SC population in India, initially rupees 200 crores was released under the scheme to IFCI Limited, which is a nodal agency to implement it. The present corpus of VCF SC is 376 crores with 326 crore contribution from Government of India and with a provision of supplementing each year and 5 times. And how many entrepreneurs have been benefited with reference to our state, West Bengal? Sir, according to the population census of 2011 again, there are nearly 16 crore senior citizens aged above 60 in India. The senior citizens face a number of problems due to absence of an which involves education, de-addiction, treatment and rehabilitation of affected individuals and families, and also involve the affected individuals in skill development, vocational training and livelihood support. We request you to let us have more details of the scheme which ensures social justice and empowerment. With these very few and brief observations, I would like to invite Sri Ramdas Athawale, Honorable Union Minister of State and for Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, to please address us. Sir.
Thank you very much. In this COVID period, all of you are safe, and therefore I thank all of you, because today the Merchants Chamber of Commerce and Industry, this organization is a very important organization in all over India. Where I go, in Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, anywhere, the Merchants Chamber of Commerce and Industries organization are also there. You start your business not only for you and your family, but you started the business to give the employment to poor people. And therefore, I became the second time Social Justice and Empowerment MOS in Narendra Modi's government. And I am from Republican Party of India, which party was started by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the architect of Indian Constitution. And on 26 1950 Indian Constitution means we accepted the Indian Constitution and our India was working on the basis of Indian Constitution. But in 1952 there was on All India Scheduled Caste Federation ticket. And you know that Yogendranath Mandal, who was originally from Bengal, and in the first time, Baba Saheb Ambedkar was elected in Bengal to go in the Constitution Assembly. But after that, there was the partition on 15th August 1947. At that time, the East Bengal was held in Pakistan, and West Bengal was in India. And therefore, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's membership was stopped there. But on the ticket of All India Scheduled Caste Federation, Baba Saheb Ambedkar lost the election, and therefore Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was returned one letter to the Ram Manohar Lohia, when Ram Manohar Lohia was in Bihar. And Baba Saheb Ambedkar wanted the Republican Party, only the party. Which party will fight the Congress Party. And he was thinking that that time Baba Saheb Ambedkar lost the election, and he wanted the friendship between Dalit and non-Dalit. Only Dalit vote, anybody can't elect, and only the Dalit vote, I can't elect. Then how can my workers will be elect? And if they will not elect, then how power will become? Therefore, Baba Saheb Ambedkar dissolved All India Scheduled Caste Federation, and that experiment with Ram Manohar Lohia was not okay at that time. But after the death of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, the Republican Party was started on 3rd October 1957 in Nagpur. After the death of Dr. They should be united. The castes are there, religions are there, languages are there, all right. But as India, and Baba Saheb Ambedkar teaches to us that our country is more important than your religion, than your caste, than your language, than your state. India is only one country, and therefore our Indian Constitution is very strong. And today we are discussing about the social justice and empowerment for all. And my ministry, as our President Akash Shah, his name is Akash Shah. You are from Gujarat originally?
Originally from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. So then your name is Akash. Where there is Akash, there is Prakash. Therefore we want the light. Without light we can't go ahead. If there is darkness, then we can't go ahead. We should stop there only. But when the light will come, then we'll go. And therefore, we want the industry's light. If the unemployment want to finish, then industry, we want to support the industry. We want to support the owner of that industry. And that is also the stand of our Narendra Modi, the government. And now, 5 crore to 15 crore. And 5 crore to 15 crore, 50% money should be given by venture capital, and 25% from bank, and 25% from ourselves. That is the scheme of venture capital fund. And Main Scheduled Tribe Finance Development Corporation. And we are giving 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees for your small business. This is also our scheme. And there is also Disabled Finance Development Corporation. There is also OBC Finance Development Corporation for OBC. And my ministry is also covered near about population above 80%. Because my ministry is having scheduled caste,